Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing about a special difference that is, so this is my incident form. Here you see a caller of incident. This is a reference field and at the bottom you see test document ID which I have created a document ID field. So here this one is referencing to a record of a particular table that is user. Here in this is referencing to incident record. So the major difference between these two type of field is that reference field reference to a particular record of a particular table, whereas in the document ID field you can reference to any record on any table. How it is possible? It is possible based on two things, that is a text field or a string field where you have to provide the name of the table. It means this field is referencing first to the table, and then you have the test document ID, that is the document ID type field which is referencing to a particular record. Let me show you. So in the first field, that is test document table, which is of string type, you have to provide name of the table. Once you provide name of the table, then the test document ID will load only those table records which correspond to this table. Let me open this. Here you see incident table is selected and then the whole table, that is the whole documents of incident. But if I change the name of the table to change, now if I go here you see change table is selected, but the page is not found here because change is not a table name. You have to provide a proper table name here. So the proper name is change underscore. You see change request table is selected. Now if you click here, you will see only the change record, that is all the documents. Document means records of that change. Select it, click OK. So you see the document ID is changing. Now save it. So here what we are observing, that test document ID is dependent on this test document table. That's what we have configured. Let's go to this field, configure dictionary. Here you see I have provided an option, use dependent field, and on which it is dependent on test document table. So this is how the complete concept of test document ID works. If you want, you can provide a hard code value here in the test document table being an administrator. But if we do so, there will be no difference between a reference field and a test document field. The purpose of test document field is to attach the document of any table. And this is possible only by this way. Just see this one. It is a simple string field where you have to provide the table name, and then based on that you have to provide dependency for test document ID field. So in this way we use document ID field. I hope you understand the difference between a reference field and a document ID field. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. Bye bye.